Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 4. How are you? I hope you will be good and safe and healthy at home. Welcome to your English class, and our topic is singular and plural nouns. Today we will study about singular and plural nouns and their rules. Here is rule 1 is to make regular nouns plural, add s to the end. For example, cat, cats, book, books, bags, bags. Dear student, the first rule is we simply put s at the end of the word. For example, cat, cats. There are lots of examples of these kind of plurals. You must be aware of this. And rule 2 is singular nouns that end in s, x, z, ch, she, sh or ss form the plural by adding es. Okay, now that means the words that is ending with s, x, z, ch. Ending sound is ch, sh or double s. We will add es at the end of that word to form their plurals. For example, bus, buses, bench, benches, box, boxes, box, boxes, dish, dishes, truss, trusses, marsh, marshes, lunch, lunches, tax, taxes, splits, blitzes, watch, watches. So dear students, in these kind of plurals we add es at the end of the word. That word that's mostly end with s, ch or x. That mostly uh, followed by es sound plurals. And rule 3 is the plural form of some noun that end in f or fe is made by changing the ending to ves. That means we change f or fe to ves. That means the f will vanish and we put es to the place of f. For example, half, halves, hoof, hooves. Look at the sound hoof, and the plural is whose. Calf, calves, elf, elves, shelf, shelves, leaf, leaves, and here is leaf, leaves, loaf, loaves, thief, thieves, wolf, wolves, life, lives, knife, knives. Dear student, that means we will change the f into es. F into es. Most of words that are ending with f, that in to making their plurals, change f to ves. Ves. Loaf, loaves. And rule 4 is nouns ending with o. So this rule is little bit tricky and it's very easy if you understand. Nouns that ending in o, nouns that end in o preceded by a vowel are made plural by ending s. For example, radio, radios. Now look at the word radio. At the end of the radio, there are two vowels, I and O. So, we will make the plural by adding just S. Okay? Because radio has two vowels, we will add just one S. Stereo, stereos. Video, videos. So, the words that have two vowels at the end, we will add s. Okay, nouns that end in o preceded by a consonant are made plural by ending es. Now, those nouns that end with O but before O is the consonant. For example, potato. At the end of potato, before O, there is a T before O, potato, and the plural is potatoes. We will add ES to the plural, okay? So, when there are two vowels at the end, we will add S, but when there is one consonant and one vowel, we will add es. For example, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes, hero, heroes, eco, ecos. And dear students, the fifth rule is irregular plurals. For example, child, plural is children. Dear student, you must know the word children. Children is the plural of child. And the ox, the plural of the ox is oxen. Oxen means lot of ox. We won't say that oxes or ox. We will say that oxen. And louse, lice, mouse, mice, put, feet. Now the plurals that change in spelling, we make plurals by changing the spelling. We call them irregular plurals. And there are also some nouns that their plural and singular are the same. For example, deer, deer, fish, fish, sheep, sheep. There are same plurals of sheep, fish, and deer. We won't make any change by adding s or es. We will not add s or es with fish, sheep, or deer. And here is other moose, moose. Okay, man, man. Dear students, man, man means one man, and men, man means lot of men. woman, woman, and women, women means lot of women. Man means one man, and man means more than one. And when we call woman, we will say that the women, woman means more than one. So dear students, look at these words. You can see here these are the common nouns: man, woman, sheep, fish, teeth, feet. These are the common nouns. We will there are not any plural of proper noun. We won't make any plural of proper nouns. So, do you understand that proper nouns don't have plurals? We can say that Pakistan's, India's, America's, but we will say that countries, cities, okay? Karachi's, Hyderabad's, we won't say that because they are proper noun. No one other is like Hyderabad. Nothing is like Karachi, and there is no any other Pakistan in the world. So we won't say that Pakistan's, Hyderabad's, because proper noun doesn't have any plural. So look at these examples of irregular plurals. Read it very carefully. Dear students, we studied 5 rules of singular and plural nouns. Now it's your homework to write 5 examples from each rule. Okay? It's very simple. You just have to write 5 examples, any 5 examples from each rule. Rule 1 is adding s to the end. And rule 2 is adding es to the words that are ending with o and consonant, two vowels or one consonant and one vowel, like potatoes or tomatoes, and we will change f into the ves, like leaf, leaves, life, lives. Okay, life, lives, knife, knives, and there is also one other, wife, wives. And also the rule is adding es to the words that are ending with ch, sh, or double s. So write any 5 example from each rule. I hope you understood the lesson. I'll be back with the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.